In this video I'll explain how to check your SEVIS status and why staying updated is essential if you're an international student or exchange visitor in the US. Knowing your SEVIS status helps avoid problems during visa applications, school transfers, travel, or document renewals. The most reliable way to check is by contacting your DSO or RO, also known as the designated school official or responsible officer, who works in your school's international office and manages your SEVIS record. They can confirm whether your status is active, transferred, completed, or terminated, usually very quickly. Some schools also provide access through an internal student immigration portal, where you can log in to view SEVIS details along with information related to your I-20, CPT, or OPT. Another supporting method is checking your SEVIS fee payment status through the official DHS portal using your SEVIS ID, name, and date of birth, which doesn't show full status but helps verify records. If all else fails, you can email SEVP directly, though responses may take time. Always double-check your SEVIS status before making major academic or travel decisions. Subscribe for more clear immigration and student guidance you can rely on.